Alright, so this is my palette of choice, my weapon that I'll be using today. So I did my foundation and everything prior to this video. So I'm going in with my lid color, and of course I'm going to be grabbing the orange. I wanted to build up the colors, but I also wanted to try something different for my eye look and actually take the look right up on my brow bone. I think I did this accidentally and I sort of liked how it looked. No, I'm doing it intentionally and see if this is something that I will continue to do. Now, being that I have hooded eyes, I feel like this looks good once you have enough space. So as you can tell, I definitely arched my brows some more, but I have a little bit of eyebrow in here. I'm not very too clean off, but I definitely arched my brows some more in order to facilitate this look. So right there on my brow bone, it's looking patchy. That's because brow hairs are there. So in the palette, there's not a matte color that I can use on my brow bone. So I had to go in with my Beauty Bakery Flower Powder, and it's in the color yellow. So going back into the palette, I'm taking the brown, and I'm going to put that in the crease. I didn't want to take the brown on my above my crease because I wanted the red to be the primary color of this look. So now to do my my concealer, I'm actually going to be taking my NW35, and that's from MAC Cosmetics, and I'll be using this to create the cut crease as well as the like curved wing, and I'm going to blend out the edges with my fingers so that the transition for the eyeshadow is smooth and it's not, you know, abrupt, it's not harsh. So I have to blend out that end. Then I'm going with this color. In the pan it looked brown, but when I applied it, it was burgundy. I was like, okay, this works. This is good. This is what I wanted. So I'm applying it in the center because I also want to try something different and apply a blue color in my happy area. And I don't necessarily apply colors that bright in that area. I would normally put that somewhere else. But I was like, you know what, honey? We'll give to them that area. We're not all back. Nothing is being held back. Nothing. So to emphasize the concealer, I'm taking my LA Pro Primer in white, and I'm using the same brush I used to do my brows, but I'm flipping it over. This is also a Juvia's Place brush. It came with their eye kit, I believe, like their brow kit or something like that. I got it years ago. So I'm using this to accentuate that line, and I don't have a white eyeliner, sorry. So this is what I use to create that white look. So now I'm lining my eyes with my LA Pro Primer in black. A while ago I used it in white for the wing. Now I'm using it in black, and I'm also going to be using this on my lips as well. Now initially I wanted to do a red look, but I never wanted to do red. I really wanted something black and something, you know, kind of avant-garde and kind of African-esque. Yeah, so I'm taking that eyeshadow that I got, so I'm applying it, sorry, right on my underneath my lash line. And then I'm going to be going in with this blue, and I'm going to be applying it down the center of my bottom lip. So for my lashes, I'm actually wearing Fashionista lashes, and this look is actually for TT. I forgot to say that initially her favorite, when I asked her what her favorite color is, she told me the colors of the rainbow, and then Keisha, that's the owner, CEO of Clay, House of Clay, she said, Tahila, I have to pick one. So the one that she picked was red. So I'm going with my Juvia's Place Royalty 2 highlight, and I'm going to put that on my chin and on my cheeks, but not on my nose. I actually forgot. So TT, this is for you, princess. Hi Tahila. Hi Tahila. Hi Cara. Hi Judah. Hi. So for my blush, I'm actually going to be using the same palette, and I'm taking that color, and that's going to be my blush color. I couldn't bother get up and go for the other palette. I'm just use this as a blush color. I'm using their eyeshadows for blush, their blush for eyeshadows. I've been doing that for a while now. I ain't seen nothing wrong with it, so it ain't broke, don't fix it, honey. So I'm actually going to be applying that color right on that area, and I didn't apply any, you know how I apply like a white eyeliner to pump it up? I did not do that. These palettes, their palettes are so pigmented from Juvia's Place. They are completely amazing. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Wearing my Pull Me Lashes in Fashionista, and I just wanted to do something for Tahila, for TT. This is for you, Bobo. Yeah. Right, so I also want to show you guys what the Nadula hair looks like when I combed it out. I combed it out, and I did not even bother to kind of tame it or wet it or nothing. I even have my moisturizer, and I said I was going to put my moisturizer in. This is the oil, olive oil hair moisturizer, and I was going to put this in there. I was like, nah, it's okay. I like how it looks big and dry. I know that sounds like a horrible description, but you know, big and dry. But I like this look. It looks like natural hair, like it's growing from my scalp. That's how it looks. So again, this is Nadula hair. This is their Peruvian deep wave, and this is all 16 inches. The frontal and the 3 bundles that I'm wearing, they are 16 inches. And I colored the hair. I have a full video sorry, on how I colored it. And I did go in and I cut down the lace, and then I tweezed out some more, but not a lot. As you can tell, this side is still a little bit harsh, it's a bit blunt, but this side I tweezed out more on this side. Yo, it takes so long to tweeze these hairs, you guys. I'm talking long, like, and if you're going to do it properly and it's going to look like an authentic hairline, you're going to be there for over an hour just tweezing and looking up and fitting it on and going again, and then it's a lot. So this is the entire look. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. So I have some more videos for you right here that you can go ahead and watch. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Leave a comment, definitely, and I will be responding to the comments. Not everybody, but I do respond to my comments. So yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Thank you so much for your love and your support. And again, Nadula hair coming straight through for 2019 with this Peruvian deep wave. And you see the frontal. I'm gagging over this frontal, and I really think it's the texture. It's the texture that allows the frontal to retain its curl. That's just what I'm going to go with. That's what I'm going to tell myself at night. So yeah, so this is it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.